February may be short on the calendar, but the sky? It's quietly setting up some seriously beautiful moments. This is the month where the night sky slows down, cleans up itself, and gives us darker windows, cleaner horizons, and a few celestial surprises that are easy to miss if you were not paying attention. Subtle events, but powerful timing. This is the Universe Factory, and here we break down exactly what's happening above you without noise in February 2026. If you don't want to miss astro updates like these, subscribe to the channel, tap the bell icon, and stay ahead of the sky. You can also follow us on social media platforms and join our WhatsApp channel for quick sky alerts and event reminders, because some of these moments do not wait. Link to these have been mentioned down in the description below, be sure to check out. Alright, let's get into the astro events of February 2026, and trust me, this month is calmer, cleaner, and more rewarding than it looks. February opens with the bright, confident full moon. At 22:10 UTC on February 1st, the moon sits directly opposite to the sun, completely illuminated and commanding the night sky. Depending on where you are in the world, you'll see it rise on February 2nd as well. This is one of those nights where the moon becomes more than just a subject, it becomes a backdrop. Perfect for wide shots, silhouettes, cityscapes, or a strong foreground element that lets the moon do the heavy lifting. Simple and bright and visually powerful. The kind of full moon that's made for photographs. Don't forget to check some interesting stargazing apps in the description below. On 17th February at 12:02 UTC, the moon slips between Earth and the Sun, turning completely dark. Depending on where you are, this new moon shows up on February 18th as well, and with it some of the best night sky conditions of the month. No moonlight means freedom. Dark skies, deeper contrast, and longer shooting windows. If you're in the southern hemisphere, this is when the timings get exciting. The galactic center of the Milky Way starts making its return. Low on the horizon at first, perfect for wide panoramas, and as you move further south, it rises more vertically. In places like New Zealand, you can almost frame it standing tall in the sky. And do not forget to look south for the Magellanic Clouds quietly drifting into view. Meanwhile, the sky is still ruled by the winter classics like Orion, the Winter Triangle, shining bright and clean. And this new moon is also perfect for the star trails. Slow, graceful arcs across the sky, changing their pattern depending on the latitude and where you point your camera. Dark skies and big possibilities. February brings a dramatic daytime moment. On 17th February, the moon slides in front of the sun, creating an annular solar eclipse from 9:56 to 14:27 UTC, where the sun appears as a glowing ring in the sky. This partial eclipse will be visible from southern Argentina and Chile, parts of the southern regions of Africa and Antarctica. If you're in the path, it's a rare chance to watch the sun transform in real time. Just remember, proper solar filters are must, no shortcuts here. 19th February is one of the best days of the month to spot Mercury. At 14:35 UTC, the planet reaches its greatest eastern elongation, sitting 18.1 degrees east of the Sun and shining at a bright magnitude of -0.6. Since Mercury is east of the Sun, it appears in the evening sky, setting shortly after the sunset. Your best chance to see or photograph it is just after the sun goes down, low in the western horizon. A very short window and a tricky planet to spot. On 20th February, the moon pays a quiet visit to Saturn. At around midnight UTC, a slim 7% crescent moon passes about 4.4 degrees north of Saturn, placing both of them comfortably in the same patch of the sky. Saturn won't be overpowering, but with the moon keeping things subtle, this is a very calm and pleasing conjunction, great for wide shots or relaxed evening observations. Not too dramatic, not flashy, and yet beautiful experience. February wraps up with a bold pairing in the sky. On 27th February at 6:24 UTC, a bright 79% moon passes about 3.6 degrees north of Jupiter, placing the moon and the brightest planet in the same frame. Jupiter's glow easily cuts throughout the moonlight, making this an easy and striking conjunction to spot, even without any equipment. Big moon, bright planet, a strong way to end February's sky watching. And that's everything happening in the sky this February 2026. If this video helped you plan your nights or simply gave you the reason to look up, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow sky watchers, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notification so you never miss what's coming next in the night sky. You'll find another videos waiting for you on the end screen. Keep the journey going on. Until the next time, clear skies, dark nights, and as always, keep looking up.